Fuck it, I'll keep mine. Mine are free. All the, just to make sort of shelving setups for the back of your.
Holy.
That just makes it super light.
These are a U.S. made traction board. Okay. So they're made in Wichita, Kansas. You've probably seen Max tracks or being used by the U.S. military. So like 6-wheeled LMTVs, all that stuff. They're driving over these with no issue. They come with a lifetime warranty. So if you break them, if you crack them, they'll replace them. The reason they can do that is because they've never had to replace this. So the metal tooth option, typically we recommend those for any vehicles that are like over 10,000 pounds, or if you play in the snow like a lot, right? Because that's when you're most likely to damage these teeth at the ends, is when you're slipping trying to get up onto them. If you play in the sand mostly, or in the mud, the standards will probably work, and if you're under that 10,000 pounds. Should you damage them, that's the only thing that is not warrantable on them, because that's not a design flaw, right? It's a use flaw, but the beautiful part is you can drill these holes and just install stainless hardware.
Sorry?
Have you entered your giveaway? So tomorrow at 3:30, just in our booth, we'll be giving all this stuff away. All you have to do is fill out one of the cards, and you're entered to win.
Oh, cool. Okay, thank you.
Exactly, yeah. So it's not that the other product...
Yeah.
Also, yeah, so I can use it more for
It is nice to get out there. How are you?
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, you can grab one of those.
we see him use those on the channel. That's on the channel.
What is this?
It's a loop or key ring, keychain.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, we have 3 different colors. Which is your green?
Yeah, thank you.
Green
Awesome,
and
thank you.
No problem. I use these to hang a large fan or things like that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then
Yeah.
your logos,
Yeah.
edition,
And then yours on that side.
the Chaos Industries.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Awesome.
cool.
That one too. Yeah. These. Yeah.
It has 16 corners, 3 miles. You get up to about 200 from corner 1 to corner 2.
Yeah.
And
And you could probably. Is this a high speed?
this is very high speed
Whoa.
corner, and the bikes go really quick through.
Yeah.
Yeah, high speed
Well,
corner.
their bikes are probably almost 200-300.
240s. Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah. Land Rover language. I want the new one. I want that Defender.
So my wife
Jackery.
does this shampoo.
This folds up into nothing.
Oh.
This one's $4.69.
Oh no, this is a solid one? No, it folds. Oh yeah, it's just stuck in the table.
Oh, cool.
Oop. How are you? Good. Got it.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think we got all these, don't
I
we?
think the only one. No, we even have this one. Shay got me that for Christmas.
Oh.
Have you got the app?
I do.
Excellent.
Yeah, 2 years now.
Can't do anything for you.
Yeah, be gone with
Yeah,
it.
move along.
You want some stickers?
Stickers.
Stickers. You want some?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta have it back. Oh no way.
Cool.
Did Crystal have one? I don't want to
We got
share.
a bunch. Yeah, we got a bunch of
You
different
can't,
ones.
Oh
you're not
no
gonna
way.
share?
I'm not sharing.
Here, I'll get you a full set here,
I like your hat.
depending on the season.
Oh yeah.
Is that Charizard? Is that Charizard? Who is that?
Charmander.
Charmander. My son loves Pokemon.
Blood
Green
mood.
one too.
Oh.
There you go. The full set
This one for us. Gone
for our
fishing.
best customers.
You weren't gonna share, so whatever.
There's next door.
Is it?
Yeah. For sale?
No.
Ah. I just think they're cool.
They're all cool.
I'm a Jeep guy, but that is still cool.
She's so cool as well.
Yeah. She's a beauty, eh?
Yeah, 2006.
That's the year of this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it says right there.
That's okay.
Oh, the bed liner.
See, that's the only reason you do the flatbed is you can put this tray on. So you do that and then
Yeah.
and then you get the rooftop rack on top of it. You know, like top it.
You think so?
Yeah. But storage option.
Cool.
Yeah. Let's go put stickers on our.
Danny giving away stickers. Oh, cardboard.
Yeah, we know where it is now. In the trash.
I think I heard. Oh no, the door's open. I thought I heard him say they were closed on Saturday. Maybe Saturday night.
Oh. Oh, yep.
Yep.
One more double with cheese.
I'm looking forward to that.
Me too.
Oh,
How are you? Good. Are you doing burgers now?
We sure are. Burgers and hot dogs. Ooh, is that like a
GoPro.
GoPro? Okay. I was like, it's
You don't
not
mind
a
if we film
tripod.
around or... It's a tripod, yeah.
We're putting it on our channel. Is that okay?
Oh my god, I'm recorded? That's cool. One day I look like shit. Yeah,
No, you
well,
don't.
do
You
whatever.
look great.
Make me famous.
No, you look great.
Okay, but we like to order.
I'm doing a double burger and chips.
Okay.
Ooh, yum.
yeah, here comes yours.
That looks so good.
Okay,
Thank you.
Actually, maybe I will.
Yum. Homemade burgers.
Yeah, I gotta go in and put stuff on.
Me too. Yeah, because we can walk across and go anywhere.
Yeah.
Or up where the river's warmer.
Or that other little...
Oh, that hole, yeah. That was a good spot.
The one you played in or the farther up the river deep one?
Either or.
Yeah, right at the rapids, then you know it's low. You get onto that stuff and it's really warm. Yeah. My signal light on, and then he came, he started slowing down, the red truck behind him.
Oh, nice.
Something we got at the Overland Rally. Here, can you? And then I'll do this. Ta-da! A light.
Very cool.
Got it for the change room. Because we went to the river. We'll have to change later.
Yes, we bought this at the Overland Rally at West Coast Off-Roaders. It's this. All this stuff in this little thing.
Pan.
Pan. Lid. Another lid. Containers.
It's pretty cool, actually.
This container has our little
Oh yeah, show me how that works.
our little handle for our fry pan. There we go. Cool little gadget. We get 4 of these. Pot. Four pretty plates. And another pot. All in this little package.
Yeah, it's gonna take up so much less space. Do the lids on them, on the pot. Do they have the strainers? Where's the strainer part? Oh.
Yes. And it can fit our frying pan.
Oh, we can't do. That will take care of most of that. Except for our collapsible. So that's pretty cool. All of that basically in there.
Yes.
Huh. Cool. gonna film you get stuff.
Alrighty. Oh my.
Yeah, you got the big one.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have room for nothing.
I'm gonna go eat now.
Did you want an extra plate now?
Maybe because mine's folding over. I have to double check to make sure it's monster cricket again.